The Skytech Azure Gaming PC desktop has you covered with its impressive specs. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 9700X 3.8 GHz processor with a turbo boost of up to 5.5 GHz, this PC offers fast, responsive performance for even the most demanding games and tasks. With the inclusion of an NVIDIA RTX 4068GB GDDR6 graphics card, this system delivers crystal-clear graphics and smooth gameplay. Whether you're playing intense battle royales or expansive RPGs, the graphics performance will ensure you stay immersed in every detail. Coupled with 32GB of DDR5 RAM at a speedy 6000 MHz, your system can handle multitasking and demanding workloads with ease. The 2TB SSD provides ample storage, loading games and files up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs, giving you quick access to all your data. Plus, with the 360mm AIO liquid cooler featuring RGB fans, your system stays cool under pressure, ensuring high performance without thermal throttling. This desktop also comes with all the connectivity options you need, including Wi-Fi and USB ports in various versions for seamless peripherals and accessories. You can rest assured knowing that the Skytech Azure comes with a 1-year warranty, free technical support, and is assembled in the USA for quality and reliability. Whether you're into high-action gaming or media creation, this desktop is built for all your needs. It runs popular games like Call of Duty, Fortnite, GTA 5, Valorant, and much more smoothly at 1080p Full HD resolution with 60+ FPS. The stylish white Skytech Azure case, with its tempered glass panels and RGB lighting, ensures it looks as good as it performs. In summary, the Skytech Azure Gaming PC desktop offers an exceptional combination of power, performance, and style. If you're looking for a system that can handle your gaming, multimedia, and productivity tasks effortlessly, this is the one to choose. Don't forget to check out the link to this product in the description below.